Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at the 60s or 70s Seiko Solar 17 jewels watch, which as you can see is 20 microns gold plated. Very beautiful piece. As you can see here on the back we have the signed back as well. It comes on this vintage black leather watch strap. We are also going to ship it with an extra leather strap. As you can see we have a very unique tank case style with these two small lateral parts that are added. The crown sits a little bit further from the case. We have some other tank Seiko watches from the period. As you can see we have a bunch of Citizen and Seiko quartz and mechanical watches. All of them are going to be listed on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below guys. The watch crystal is domed a little because the watch case is a little bit curved, but nonetheless it is in pristine condition. As you can see, the watch crystal has very few or no scratches at all. There is a little bit of aging as you can see on the dial, but still it is a very beautiful piece. Once again, you can find it on our website, link in the description below guys. Now if you enjoy this type of content about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.